Here is 9 annoying iPhone issues fixed. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First, you need to fix autocorrect, so go ahead and open up settings, scroll down to general, and then you need to find keyboard on here. Go ahead and open that up. From here, go ahead and turn off auto correction, auto capitalization, or predictive text, and you can also use text replacement to make shortcuts for words that your iPhone keeps changing. Also, go ahead and hide screenshots from your photos feed. So open up photos, and then of course you also need to go ahead and select library, hit this little filter tab, and you can go ahead and filter and turn off screenshots on here. Just uncheck it. Third, stop the volume buttons from changing your ringer. Go to settings, and then from here, go ahead and scroll down to sounds and haptics. Open this up, and then from here, you want to go ahead and turn off change with buttons. I already have that turned off. Also, while you're in your settings, go back and you need to just select phone. So scroll down, select apps, and then scroll and select phone. In here, you're going to see screen unknown callers. Go ahead and put this to either ask reason for calling or silence, and then you'll stop getting spam calls. Also, fully turn off Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Don't just tap them in the control center. You can hold the Wi-Fi button down, open up your settings, and toggle off from there. You can also hide your notification settings by going to your settings and then scrolling down and selecting notifications. In here, you're going to see show previews. Go ahead and turn this off or put it on when unlocked. Also, to make your banners stay longer, you can, in notification, choose whatever app it is, like Amazon, for example, and then you can go ahead and scroll down a little bit on here and select persistent and just make sure that is also turned on as well. If you want to stop accidentally opening up that camera, you can also go to the settings option and then you can go to camera and go to camera control and switch it to double click or none. And then finally, you can stop live photos by going to settings, camera, preserve settings, and turn on live photo. And after that, you can turn live photo off in the camera app and it's going to stay off. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.